Hi, Anett here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you joined me. I will create a lovely layout with the Pinkfresh Studio Days of Splendor collection. This is the fall collection from Pinkfresh Studio. This is an inspiration for the monthly challenge that is about fall and fall colors. I hope to see your creation for the challenge too. I was going through my papers and a great idea popped in my mind. I wanted to use these little frames as they were hanging on a wall. I wanted to make an effect like you are looking through a window. You see the curtain there with beautiful stitching on the curtain, and then you see a wall with lovely pictures on it. I made the layout, I think more than a year ago with this idea, and now it popped in my mind again, and I thought I will lift myself and make this idea with Pinkfresh Studio supplies. Here I'm looking for papers that looks like wallpaper. I'm looking for something, some kind of pattern that is not too busy, that I can still hang these pictures, these little frames on the wall. I couldn't decide right away, so I started fuzzy cutting the little frames. I chose my photo too. This is my son with his little girlfriend from next door. We were on the playground and I made this picture from them. It was almost a year ago. I know some of you don't like fuzzy cutting, but believe me, if you start fuzzy cutting, the ideas pop in your mind. So if you don't know what to do, just start fuzzy cutting and you will get the ideas meanwhile. Now I am creating my lace curtain. I take a simple white cardstock and I chose the beautiful florals from the Keep Going stamp set. This is a wonderful floral image, and I thought I will create with this flower my lace curtain. I will emboss white on white and create a really lovely subtle effect. If you emboss white on white, there is no color difference, but you can see the embossed part catching the light. It is a little bit shinier, and you can also see the difference in the texture. And I think it is a beautiful, elegant design. I stamped once and twice with my Versamark, and then I embossed it because I couldn't see the image really, and it was not easy, but I think the end result is beautiful. I proceeded like this until I covered 1/3 of my paper with the embossed flower images. And then I took a lace border punch and I punched along the paper. Now it looks really like a lace curtain. I filled in the empty spots with a smaller flower image, and my curtain is ready. The paper did buckle a bit through the heat, but later I adhered foam to the back to create dimension, and it flattened it. Now I really have to decide which paper I use as my wallpaper, and the green was great. This one with the chevron, I think it's a little bit too busy. And I found this green one with the flowers and the leaves, and it is beautiful. It's really like a wallpaper, but it's too busy for my wallpaper. So I decided to use this one with the colorful lines. I think that's great. Here you see me adhering foam to the back of my curtain to create dimension. And now I am arranging my elements, the little frames and my photo. I'm using foam adhesive to create dimension. This is so important because if something is raised, then you can see a little shadow underneath it, and it's a beautiful effect. I love cardstock stickers because these you can use as a sticker, but you can also use it as an ephemera if you adhere a paper to the back. Here I am planning, arranging, creating different arrangements, and I really just want to create a harmonic design. And when I'm happy with it, I just start gluing everything down and finishing my layout. Little hand-drawn doodles always add some personality to the layouts. This is my favorite things to do. I added 2 butterflies to my layout. These you can find in the Pinkfresh webshop between the cut files, and this is the white butterfly cut file. I think this is a great addition to the layout. I hope you like my process and you try also this fun layout. You can find all supplies under the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I love to read your comments and questions that you might have. Please visit my blog post for more information, and see you next time. Bye bye!